Alright, I'm happy. I finished my head swap. I had some issues. I broke a ground wire. Car was running kind of strange, idling strange. I guess that's the computer trying to adjust. I'm gonna start it. I did a first start earlier with my phone. I had an exhaust leak, but I'll have that in the video. And here you go. I'll start it. I do have some wiring issues. I need to fix that, but oh yeah, I'm happy. Car runs strong. Hold on, let me turn it on for everyone. So obviously the computer needed to adjust. It was idling too high, then it would idle too low. The fans were coming on. It was, had no power. I turned it off and on a few times, drove it a couple times, and once I felt that I had given the computer time to adjust, oh yeah, from a slow roll I got absolutely no traction. So I obviously gained some power. I don't know if I only gained horsepower or I gained some torque. I couldn't tell, but I gained power with the 799. So hopefully you can hear it. Let me get a little closer and give everybody a close-up of the 799s with a home porting job. And here you can see I had to find a way to ground my wiring. I have a broken ground wire that goes to the back of the head, but this is very Mickey Mouse, so I need to fix that. But yep, there you go, 799s. Runs very strong. Please hit that like button, hit subscribe, and thank you for watching. Thumbs up on the 799 heads.